Hey, curious travelers! Welcome back to another exciting adventure. Today, we're sharing the ultimate tips for an unforgettable trip to India. Let's dive in. Are you planning to visit India? Get ready for an unforgettable adventure. But before you pack your bags, here are the must-know tips to make your trip smooth, safe, and amazing. First things first, preparation is key. Most travelers need a visa to enter India. Apply for an e-visa online or visit the Indian embassy in your country. Keep a copy of your passport, visa, and important documents in both digital and physical forms. Recommended vaccines include hepatitis A and B, typhoid, tetanus, and rabies if you plan to visit rural areas. Carry basic medications, antidiarrheals, antihistamines, painkillers, and mosquito repellent. Drink only bottled or filtered water to avoid stomach issues. It's always a good idea to get comprehensive travel insurance covering health, theft, and trip cancellations. Consider EKTA, link in description, which provides worldwide travel insurance with 24/7 multilingual customer support, COVID-19 coverage, and no hidden clauses. You can buy it online and receive your policy within minutes. Money matters. Here's how to handle your budget in India. The local currency is the Indian rupee, INR. Cash is king, but cards are accepted in hotels and big cities. Use ATMs for withdrawals, but inform your bank before traveling to avoid blocked transactions. Apps like Google Pay and Paytm work for digital payments in major cities. Markets and street vendors expect you to negotiate prices. Start with half the quoted price and work from there. Beware of common scams, such as overpriced taxi rides or fake tour guides. Always book through trusted platforms like GetTransfer, link in description, which offers transparent pricing, a variety of vehicle options, and the ability to see driver ratings and vehicle photos before booking. India's transport system is diverse and exciting. Here's how to move around like a pro. Avoid overpaying. Use apps like Uber or Ola instead of hailing cabs. For auto rickshaws, negotiate the fare before hopping in. Indian Railways is an adventure in itself. Book train tickets in advance through the IRCTC website or apps like Make My Trip. Overnight trains are great for long distances, but opt for AC classes for more comfort. For hassle-free long-distance travel, GetTransfer provides reliable and cost-effective transfer options worldwide. Indian food is incredible, but here's how to enjoy it safely. Eat at busy, well-rated food stalls. Fresh food is safer. Avoid raw salads, unpeeled fruits, and ice cubes in drinks. Always drink bottled, boiled, or filtered water. Carry a reusable bottle with a built-in filter for safety. Respect the culture, and India will welcome you with open arms. India is conservative, especially in rural areas. Women should carry a scarf or shawl when visiting temples. Remove your shoes before entering. Respect religious customs and avoid public displays of affection. India is generally safe, but stay aware of your surroundings. Avoid walking alone late at night and keep valuables secure. Where should you go? Here are some must-visit destinations. Golden Triangle, Delhi, Agra, Jaipur. The perfect first-timer route includes the Taj Mahal, Jaipur's palaces, and Delhi's historic sites. Spiritual India, Varanasi, Rishikesh. Witness the mystical Ganges River ceremonies in Varanasi or practice yoga in the Himalayan town of Rishikesh. South India, Kerala, Goa. Experience the backwaters of Kerala or relax on Goa's tropical beaches. Book flights and accommodations seamlessly with Trip, link in description, a trusted travel platform offering access to over 1.2 million hotels and 2 million flight routes worldwide. Enjoyed these travel tips? Don't forget to like this video, comment on your favorite travel destination, and subscribe for more amazing travel guides. Safe travels and see you in the next video.